everyone, welcome to iExam B. My name is Aditi and I'm the economics faculty at iExam B. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss one previous year question from the Indian Economics Service Examination. So as you know, the Indian Economics Service Examination has 4 papers on economics majorly. So the general economics paper 1 has syllabus from microeconomics, statistics, econometrics and mathematical methods in economics. These are the 4 areas in which you are tested upon in this paper. So we will discuss one of the previous year question from this paper only. Here, the question says that there is an individual who buys 2 goods X and Y at prices Px and Py. So let's say this is the individual and he's buying 2 commodities. One is X and the other is Y. And at prices Px and Py, he's buying these 2 commodities. Now, it is mentioned that we have to check whether the behavior satisfies the weak axiom of revealed preference or not. So given these 2 information, we have to check whether the behavior of the consumer is satisfying the weak axiom of revealed preference or not. So to look at this, we'll understand what do we mean by revealed preference and what is the weak axiom of revealed preference. So what are the conditions that is given to you in this question? That at prices Px, Py equals to 1, 2, that means when the price of X is 1 and when the price of Y is 2, the consumer is choosing to purchase the bundle 1, 2, that is X units, 1 unit of X and 2 units of Y. And when the prices are 2, 1, that means the price of X commodity is 2 and the price of Y commodity is 1, then he's choosing to purchase the bundle 2, 1. That means 2 units of X and 1 unit of Y. So let's look at whether this behavior satisfies the weak axiom of revealed preference or not. So here in this diagram, we are plotting x1 on the x-axis and x2 on the y-axis. This line indicates the budget line of the consumer. Here, the bundle x1, x2, this particular bundle, the consumer is choosing, and he's choosing even when the bundle y1, y2 is affordable. So by choosing x1, x2 bundle, he is in some sense revealing his preference for x1, x2 even when the bundle y1, y2 was available. So he is saying that the consumer here is saying that the bundle x1, x2 is revealed preferred to the bundle y1, y2 because he chooses to purchase this particular bundle. So this phenomena is called revealed preference. Here, unlike the cardinal utility analysis or the ordinal utility analysis, the consumer is neither assigning any utility to these different bundles, nor is he ordering these bundles. He is just revealing his preference by choosing one bundle over the other. Now, to formally write the weak axiom of revealed preference, it says that if there is a bundle x1, x2, which is directly revealed preferred here, this is important, it is directly revealed preferred to y1, y2, and the 2 bundles obviously are not the same. We are comparing 2 different bundles. Then it cannot happen that the bundle y1, y2 is directly revealed preferred to the bundle x1, x2. It shouldn't happen. Then only the behavior would be consistent with the weak axiom of revealed preference. If it happens, then obviously the behavior is inconsistent with the weak axiom of revealed preference. So in a very layman terms, we can say that if the Y bundle is affordable, okay, I can still buy the Y bundle when the X bundle is purchased by the consumer. Then when the Y bundle is purchased, okay, in some different price scenario, then it shouldn't be the case that the X bundle is still affordable. Either it should be the case that the X bundle is not affordable, then only we will say that it satisfies the weak axiom of revealed preference. So now to check WAP, how do we compare the different bundles, basically we first find out how much expenditure is made on the two bundles in different scenarios. What are the different scenarios? Under the two pricing conditions, that when the price is 1, 2, right, how much expenditure is made on the two bundles 1, 2 and 2, 1, and when the price is 2, 1, then how much expenditure is made on the two bundles 1, 2 and 2, 1. That's how you'll be able to compare and see when a particular bundle is purchased and whether the other is affordable or not. So here, see, at prices, this is formally written that if a bundle X1, X2 is purchased at prices P1, P2, and a different bundle Y1, Y2 is purchased at prices Q1, Q2, then if P1, X1 plus P2, X2, okay, this is the total expenditure that is made on the bundle X1, X2 at prices P1, P2. If this expenditure is greater than the expenditure made on the Y bundle at the same prices, then it must not be the case that the expenditure that is made on Y bundle at a different price combination is greater than the expenditure made on the X bundle at the different another price combination. So let's solve this question, right, and then we'll understand it better. So here I'm going to write the expenditures made on the two bundles under different price combinations, and we will compare the expenditures. So here it's better to write prices here, the two price combinations I'll be writing here, and the two combinations of bundles I'll be writing here. So the price combinations were 1, 2 and 2, 1 in our question, and the bundles were again 1, 2 and 2, 1 in the question. Now it was mentioned that when the price is 1, 2, the consumer is purchasing 1, 2 bundle, and when the price is 2, 1, the consumer is purchasing 2, 1 bundle, right? Now let's look at how much expenditure is being made in these four combinations. So when the price is 1, 2 and he's purchasing the bundle 1, 2, how much expenditure is he making by purchasing the bundle 1, 2? It is making 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2, which is equal to 5, right? 1 is the price of X1 and 2 is the price of Y bundle, right? So the total expenditure made here is 5. Now when the prices are 1, 2, right, and suppose the bundle is 2, 1, then how much expenditure would be made if the consumer were to purchase this bundle, right? Then it would be 4. You can easily calculate the way I did here. Similarly, in this scenario it will be 4 and here it will be 5. Now, the diagonal numbers are the numbers which the consumer is actually purchasing under different scenario. That means when the price is 1, 2, it was mentioned that the consumer is purchasing this bundle, right? So the diagonal elements or the numbers tell you how much expenditure is being made under the different scenarios. Now we compare the expenditures under the other scenarios with the diagonal elements. So what does it tell you? That suppose now look at this row first. Here it was mentioned in the question that the consumer is purchasing 1, 2 bundle at prices 1, 2. Now here suppose instead he is not purchasing this, and if he were to purchase this, then he is making he has to make a lesser expenditure to purchase this. So if this happens, we put a star on this. Basically you put a star on all the non-diagonal numbers which are lower than the diagonal numbers, right? Because that indicates that these bundles were affordable, but what was chosen? This was chosen, even when this was affordable. Now in this case, so this is first row. Now you come to the second row. So in the second row, what it tells you that this particular bundle 2, 1 is chosen at price 2, 1, But what is happening here? The expenditure that he has to make if he were to purchase 1,2 is only 4. So this is again less than the diagonal number. So this is inconsistent behavior clearly, because here he is choosing this bundle at this price combination even when this was affordable. But when the price combination changes, he is now preferring the bundle 2,1. He's choosing this, he's purchasing this, but the bundle 1,2 was still affordable. So this behavior is inconsistent with the weak axiom of revealed preference. Okay, because this is contradictory, right? He should always prefer the bundle. If he is revealing his preference for 1,2, then under different price combinations, he should always prefer the bundle 1,2 only. It shouldn't be the case that he's preferring some other bundle even when the bundle 1,2 is affordable. If it's not affordable, then it does not matter. But if it is affordable, then obviously under different price combinations, he should prefer this bundle only. That behavior would be consistent with the weak axiom of revealed preference. Now there is another axiom of revealed preference, which is the strong axiom of revealed preference. So we might discuss this maybe in some next sessions. The only difference between the weak axiom of revealed preference and the strong axiom of revealed preference is that under weak axiom of revealed preference, we check only the bundles which are directly revealed preferred over another. In the strong axiom, we check directly revealed preferred as well as indirectly revealed preferred. So that's how these two differ. Now, I hope you understood this concept. Now, we are coming up with the test series for the Indian Economic Service examination. In the test series, we are going to provide you 15 tests, out of which 12 will be on economics and 3 will be on general English. And plus, in addition to this, we are giving 10 online lectures by senior faculty. We have picked up some important topics from the syllabus, and those lectures will be on those topics. So if you wish, you can check out the test series schedule from the description of the video. Also, this test series is starting from 17th March and the tests are going to be released in a phased manner. That means you will be given, let's say, a week's time to write the test and submit it, and then the feedback will be given to you. So you can download the PDF of the detailed schedule from the description. Also fill the Google form. You will find a Google form if you have any queries for this particular examination. This is the process of attempting the test. First, the test will be uploaded in your course once you purchase the test series. Then the test has to be attempted by you, and you have to write the test in the same way you write in the actual examination. It will be handwritten. You have to scan your answer script, and then you have to upload it. Then the faculty will check the test, and the faculty will give you feedback on your answers. The feedbacks will be sent over email, and a sample answer will be uploaded in the same section where the tests were uploaded in your course. So if you wish, you can enroll. Right now we have some offer on the test series as well. So this was the video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates. If you have any queries, you can also always call on this number, or you can email at this email ID. Right? Thank you.